Welcome to our tutorial about using the 3D Align tool. Let's start by creating some geometry. I'll create a cube, 3 by 3. Enter. And 3 here, enter. Now let's copy the cube. Left-click on 3D Move. Select the cube, right-click to finish the selection. I'm going to copy the cube along the x-axis. C, enter, and place it about here. Press Escape to exit the tool. Let me just adjust my view a little. Now let's activate 3D Align. First, we select the objects that we want to align. Right-click to finish the selection. Now the source plane and orientation. We'll pick some base points. 1, 2, and 3 up here. Next, we pick corresponding destination points. 1, 2, and 3. And our cubes have aligned. Let's undo that. Try it again. Align. Select the object. Right-click to finish. Specify our 3 base points. 1, 2, and 3. Now we specify our 3 corresponding destination points. And basically, my cubes occupy the same space now. Let's undo. Let me pan this geometry left. I'm going to create a pyramid now. Center point. Base radius will be 1.5 units. Enter to accept, and click for the height. Let's activate the 3D Align tool now. Select my pyramid, right-click to finish the selection. Specify the first base point, the second base point, and the third base point. Now the corresponding 3 destination points, 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'll create a cylinder. Here's my center point. Base radius will be 3 units. Press Enter. Let's create a cone now. It'll also be 3 units in base radius. Something like this. Let's activate the 3D Align tool. Select the cone. Right-click to finish selection. Now our base points. First point, second point, and point number 3. Now our corresponding destination points. 1, 2, and 3. Lastly here, let's align the bottom face of my cube with the top face of my cylinder. Activate the 3D Align command. Choose the object, the cube. Now pick our base points. First point, second point, and third point. Now we pick the corresponding 3 destination points. Second point over here, and third point over here, and our operation executes. This concludes our tutorial about using the 3D Align tool.